In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ManyChat to Google Sheets. By the end, you'll have your ManyChat account authorized to access Google Sheets so you can pull in and send data without manual copy-paste. First, make sure you're in the correct ManyChat workspace for the brand or page you want to connect. It also helps to be signed into the Google account that owns the spreadsheets you plan to use and to temporarily allow pop-ups in your browser so the authorization window can open smoothly. Open ManyChat and head to the home area so you're on the main dashboard. On the left sidebar, click Settings. In the Settings view, scroll until you see the Extensions section. Inside Extensions, go into Integrations. This is where ManyChat lists all the services it can connect to. Find the Google Sheets integration card and look for the option to connect your account. Click Connect Google Sheets Account. A Google sign-in window will appear. Choose the Google account you want to link to ManyChat. If you manage multiple profiles in your browser, double-check you're selecting the right one that has access to your spreadsheets. You'll be taken to a consent screen. Click Continue to move ahead. Next, you'll see a summary of the permissions requested. Select all the listed permissions. These allow ManyChat to identify your account, read the files it needs to find specific spreadsheets, and create or update rows in your sheets during automations. This access is limited to what's necessary for the integration to function. When everything is selected, click Continue to confirm. You'll be redirected back to ManyChat, and the Google Sheets integration should now show as connected. If the status doesn't update right away, give the page a quick refresh. If a pop-up was blocked earlier, allow it and try the Connect button again. And if you accidentally chose the wrong Google profile, disconnect and repeat the process with the correct one. That's it. Your ManyChat workspace is now authorized to use Google Sheets, and you're ready to leverage that connection inside your automations.